Well, it's the one for the money, two for the show. Get ready now, contact those. Don't you step on my blue suede shoes. They do anything but they offer my blue suede shoes. You knock me down, step on my face, stand to my name all over the place. Do anything you wanna do. Oh, honey, they offer my shoes. Don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Oh, yeah. They do anything but they offer my blue suede shoes. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Phil Pocket. We are Big River Crossing, and we're so glad you're here tonight, because if you weren't here, we'd be rehearsing. One day I'll think of a better joke. Let me introduce you to the band. Over here on my left, my kid brother, Mr. Peter Heinbuch. Over tickling the ivories, Mr. Joshua Quinn. Over on bass, Mr. Andrew Owens. On percussion, the Chain Post.